Welcome to Star Biker. Today we're taking a quick look at the 2026 Hero Splendor Plus 125, a motorcycle that continues the Splendor legacy with improved performance, efficiency, and everyday practicality. Design and styling. The 2026 Splendor Plus 125 keeps its familiar, clean commuter design while adding subtle modern touches. Updated graphics, a refreshed headlamp design, and neat body lines give it a more contemporary feel without losing its classic identity. Engine and performance. Powering the bike is a refined 125 cubic centimeters engine tuned for smooth and reliable performance. It delivers adequate power for city rides, easy overtakes, and relaxed highway cruising, making it ideal for daily commuting. Ride and handling. With a lightweight chassis and well-balanced suspension, the Splendor Plus 125 offers a comfortable and stable ride. The bike handles traffic with ease, while the upright seating position reduces fatigue on longer rides. Mileage and efficiency. Fuel efficiency remains a key strength. The 2026 model is expected to offer excellent mileage, making it a cost-effective choice for riders who want low running and maintenance costs. Features and safety. The bike comes equipped with practical features such as electric start, a semi-digital instrument cluster, and improved braking for better control. These additions enhance convenience and safety for everyday use. Final verdict. The 2026 Hero Splendor Plus 125 is a smart choice for riders seeking reliability, comfort, and outstanding fuel economy. It stays true to the Splendor name while offering just enough updates to meet modern commuter needs.